HD SLR Shooters special coverage of NAB 2017. Sponsored by Akitio, Aperture, Adamus, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, Light in Motion, Manios Digital and Film, Shape, Schneider, Sakonic, and Xylite.
Hi, Clint with HD SLR Shooter here at NAB 2017. Continuing on at the Blackmagic booth with Simon. And Simon, the ATEM Television Studio HD. Now, this is important. A lot of times some of our audience has been thinking about television switchers, but as Facebook Live, YouTube Live,
sure.
And whatever the next incarnation of live streaming comes on and demands for more professionalism come on, this is important. So talk a little bit about the what we're looking at here with the ATEM.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right. I think that live content production is taking place everywhere. And everybody wants to get this straight onto the web really quickly, whether they're doing a conference, whether they're doing a school theatre production, a training event, whatever it may be. They all want to switch their content really quickly. They want a small footprint of technology because they quite often want to carry that in a bag to the event. They don't want huge flight cases or road trunks and those things. And we released this a couple of months ago. This is the ATEM Television Studio HD. And that's a 2/3 rack width product. And one of the reasons for that is it's then what you put next to it. So in this configuration, we've got the Blackmagic web presenter, which takes the program output of the switcher and gets you live on the web straight away for Facebook Live, for YouTube Live, or any other platform you want to, which is great. What we've then done at NAB and announced a few minutes ago in the press conference here is we've taken the same feature set of the ATEM Television Studio HD and put it into this. This is the ATEM Television Studio Pro HD, and the difference being that what you'll see, rather than just having the front panel control, we've now got complete control of the switcher. This looks more like a traditional switcher that you and I would be familiar with. So you've got all of the ability here to, cut between the different program sources, whether they're cameras or they're disc recorders playing back. You've got audio control over the channels. You've got talk back access within this. You've just got so much within this, and you can control it all with this panel.
And it looks like it's got wipes and fades and things like that, like quarter.
Absolutely. I mean, you've got all the traditional wipes in there that you would expect to use. It's also got one DVE, so we can do things like picture-in-picture as well, which is really cool. And you've got access to those all with direct keys. So where you are working in a live situation and you want that immediate contact with the switcher, instead of having to work through the menu structure or go through software, all of the keys are laid out in front of you and you can simply press that key and away you go. It's got a heap load of more features like camera control in there as well. When you're using the Blackmagic design cameras, then you can start to get control over those cameras, do a primary color correction to them, adjust the levels, adjust the iris. I mean, there's loads and loads of things in there. But for the exact kind of customer that you're talking about, people that want to get something through live production really quickly and onto the web, this is a fantastic solution. 19-inch, so you could rack mount it. I mean, it's a heck of a product. It's $2,295, and really that's everything you need with all the video and audio connections and everything built straight into the unit. So it's an all-in-one for people.
And this is pretty portable, and all you need is a monitor, an internet connection, and some power, and you're good to go, right?
Totally right. I mean, actually, we could have made this a lot lighter than we have done. But actually, we put a little bit of weight in there because you want it to be substantial. When you use it, you don't want to push it away and have it slide across the desk. That would be pretty frustrating. So we've actually, it's got a solid metal chassis in there in the bottom. So it's nice and stable on the desk, but certainly light enough still to stick in a bag and carry to anywhere you want to go.
Excellent. And this is this shipping now?
Now it's going to ship at the end of May, so round about sort of 5-6 weeks away. And as I say, $2,295.
People want to find out more, they obviously need to go to the website, and that is
blackmagicdesign.com.
Thanks, Simon.
Thanks, Glenn.
HD SLR Shooters special coverage of NAB 2017. Sponsored by Akitio, Aperture, Adamus, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, Light in Motion, Manios Digital and Film, Shape, Schneider, Sakonic, and Xylite.